The Gamma Plus Hybrid Professional Hair Dryer is designed for users who want a lightweight styling tool that combines Ionic technology, quieter operation, and versatile attachments in a professional-inspired design. Its focus is on balancing performance with comfort, making it a suitable option for everyday drying and styling routines where handling and convenience matter. One of the key features of this hair dryer is its Ionic technology, which is designed to support smoother-looking results during drying. Ionic dryers are often chosen by people who want to help manage the appearance of frizz and create a more polished finish, especially when styling different hair types. While results can vary depending on hair texture and styling technique, this feature adds an extra level of control compared with basic dryers. The lightweight design is another important aspect of the Gamma Plus Hybrid. A lighter dryer can make regular styling sessions more comfortable, particularly for users who spend more time drying or shaping their hair. The low-noise design also adds to the overall user experience by focusing on a quieter operation compared with traditional louder hair dryers. This model includes 2 nozzles and a diffuser, giving users more flexibility depending on their styling needs. The nozzles are useful for more directed airflow and controlled styling, while the diffuser attachment can be helpful for those who want to work with textured or naturally wavy hair. Having multiple attachments included allows the dryer to adapt to different routines without requiring separate accessories. The Gamma Plus Hybrid Professional Hair Dryer is best suited for people looking for a lightweight, versatile dryer with features focused on smoother styling, comfortable use, and attachment flexibility. It may appeal to both home users and those who prefer a more professional-style tool. However, buyers looking for specific advanced features beyond the provided Ionic technology, lightweight build, low-noise operation, and included attachments should consider whether those additional needs are covered. Overall, this hair dryer offers a practical combination of styling versatility and user-focused features. The inclusion of Ionic technology, a lightweight design, quieter operation, and multiple attachments makes it a well-rounded choice for users who want a convenient dryer for everyday hair care and styling.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.